Okay, I'm going to be a bit presumptuous and say that I'm here with my good friend Bill Patterson.
That would be very true.
I'm being presumptuous.
No.
So, Bill is quite the grower, and we've done business despite his best efforts. We've done business for a number of years. And we have in front of us Mikawa Yatsubusa, Acer palmatum, and I would ask Bill to speak to the virtues of this plant.
Well, this is one of the newer varieties that has taken off in the past 4 or 5 years. It is a little bit more of an erratic grower, not as light as a lot of maples, and not a place leaf or weeping maple either.
You know, consider it more of a sculptural type piece.
Absolutely. In the winter, after it defoliates, it has quite the livery. It is gorgeous.
And full color?
Fall color is not all that descript as far as such. It will have a bit of orange in it, and depending upon the moisture level going into fall and also the temperatures and early frost, it can be with some red, orange, and purple in it, but generally defoliates pretty quickly.
Ultimate height?
The largest one that I've seen is approximately 14 feet tall, and that was one of the original stock plants that came in, I believe, from New Zealand in the 90s. I had a caliper on it somewhere in the 4.5 inch range, and spread on it was about 12 feet.
So we would consider this to be a relatively slow grower.
Yes,
Okay.
a little sneaky, in that, as all plants, they just continue to grow. So I would still give it some elbow room as such. This plant is about 8 years old. That is from a 2-gallon plant into the ground.
And as you can see, it's going to grow wider than taller. So you definitely want to give it some space in the garden. So Acer palmatum Mikawa Yatsubusa, not going to get exceptionally tall, will get fairly wide. Just again, a very nice sculptural ornamental piece for your garden.